If your phone have a camera and you can take pictures like this or your personal picture, I want to show you how you can use that to create a passive income for yourself. So all you need is just your smartphone and the ability to take picture like this or your own personal picture. Now, let me explain. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Black Hustler. On this channel, I teach and we share updates about making money online with your smartphone. As you can see right here, there's a lot of videos right here that you can watch and it's going to benefit you. So if you are getting best value and you're interested in making money online, kindly click the subscribe button and turn on bell notification so you get notified anytime we drop a new video like this that's going to help you scale as an online entrepreneur. Please support and do well to get me to 100 subscribers before next weekend so I can be triggered to make more videos for you about making money online. So in today's video, let's dive in. So like I said, if you can take a picture like this, or you can snap a picture like this, or your own personal picture that you yourself is showing, you can just sell it online and you make money from it passively. This is not something you do constantly. Like once you just upload the picture, you've uploaded it like that, and that's how you are going to keep getting massive results and passive income for yourself. So I'm going to show you up to 4 websites where you can sell your picture and it's going to give you a meaningful revenue. So I will advise, if you want to make passive income and you want to scale with this kind of business model, you need to upload as many pictures as you can, so you can do well to snap as much as you can. You can snap objects, animal, yourself, actions, snap actions, or you can snap the crowd, and make sure you just have a lot of pictures or images in your collection on your store. So I want to walk you through the process on how you're going to set this up and make this autopilotly. So the very first website you want to use is alami.com. is websites where people get image to use for their designs, something like that. So you want to upload your own image right here to make money. You are not here to buy anything. So you need to do is to scroll down to you. First off, you come to alami.com from the top, then you scroll down to the end of this page. So once you are end of this page, then you click on become a contributor. So once you click on become a contributor, it's going to load up a page like this for you, where you will sign up an account and you see what you are entitled to get from them. So as we wait for this to load up, so let's see. As you can see, sell your work all around the world, join and earn up to 50% of any sale. You see, so you need to do is to click on get started right here. So once you click on that, you need to fill in your details. Then here you choose photographer or agency or student, so anyone that best suits you. So that's how you sign up. So I will sign this account up for the sake of this tutorial, then I will show you other 3 that you can sign up on and you make money for yourself. It's just something simple and it's easy to copycat. You get, so it's easy to copycat. So on my mail right here, let's get this email done and let's sign up an account ASAP. So if I copy it right here, then I'm coming over here. So I'm going to name this Omani first, then Omi Makinde, and I'm going to submit the mail right here. Then the password, you're going to fill in something simple. Okay, I have a strong password. Then you put in your phone number. You can do it to put in your phone number 234 703829 3888. That's my WhatsApp number in case you want to connect with me. So I'm going to put in my address, photographer, then I'm going to leave this, then I'm going to leave this and distribution. So I can just leave it this way, then become a contributor. They said this, okay, fill it up, then continue traffic light. We continue this. So as you can see, we are done with our registration and the dashboard is loading up. So in few seconds I will have a notification from my mail. Maybe they will ask me to confirm. So I'm going to save this. Then it said get started. So then here you choose what type of pictures do you want to upload. So you choose photograph, you can choose sports if you can snap sports, then all this kind of stuff. So you can choose as many as you can, then you continue. So if you want to upload at the moment, but I don't have any pictures to upload, so I'm just going to click on this Alami right here. Then I'm going to scroll the way down again, become a contributor or contributor home page this time. So click on here, then from here you can click okay. I'm logging, so so you can see right here. So you can click on your account and you can see the other options right here. You can see the other options, contributor dashboard. So you click on that. As you can see, this is your dashboard. This is your dashboard, and you can see this is your earnings and every other stuff you need to see on your dashboard. So you upload right here, you upload. So let's see the notification we got. Okay, it said okay, we can start working. So the next website you can do this on is 500 pixel. You can see, then you scroll all the way down, same way, scroll all the way down, become a contributor, then you sign up an account. You can upload the same image you upload on the other one. You can do the same on this one again, so you can scale and make money fast for yourself. So, and the other one is this right here, shooter stock. So you scroll all the way down. At the same time, then you click on sell your content. You click on sell your content here, then you sign up an account with them, and that's how you make money for yourself. You can still use same image, same picture on these three websites, and I'm going to show you the last one. But before that, make sure you subscribe to this channel and like this video, share it to your friend, and turn on the bell notification so you can get updates anytime we drop a video like this for you. So in order to make you scale and help you make some money for yourself online. So, and you can connect with me in any other ways of your choice. You will see my handles in the description below. So, and the last website that you want to work on is this Adobe Stock right here. Then all you need to do is to join now. As you can see, expand your creative around the world. So you can just search contributor.stock.adobe.com. All the links to this website will be in the description below, so you can click it from there and just jumpstart your work by just uploading your pictures. And make sure you have everything in details and upload as many pictures as you can, so you can make some meaningful money for yourself before it's you that know your deadline. So that's just it. So make sure you upload this video, upload these pictures, and make it details. So take a note of snaps and just submit it right here. So if you get best value of this video, make sure you thumbs up, share this video, and like this. Comment down below if you have any question, connect with me, and make sure you subscribe to this channel. Then, or if you are looking for a way to that have been able to scale up to $10,000 or $12,000 in the online space or more in just 6 months. So I have the freelancing masterclass course with the link in the first link in the description below, so you can click that to access the course for just 25,000 naira, and you learn up to 4 skills that's going to make you money as a freelancer, from UI UX design to copywriting to content and digital marketing. So you can learn everything inside the course. It's just 25,000 naira. Give it a chance and you make money for yourself, and I will see you in the other video.